Money matters. It's important. It's the foundation of our daily lives and the key to achieving our dreams. Without proper management, it can become a source of stress and anxiety. It affects everything: your home, the place where you create memories and feel safe, food, the nourishment that fuels your body, and fun, the moments that bring joy and relaxation. When you're good with money, life is less stressful. You can focus on what truly matters without constant worry. Being good with money doesn't mean being rich. It means making smart choices and living within your means. It means being in control. Knowing your financial situation allows you to plan for the future. It means knowing where your money goes. Tracking your expenses helps you make informed decisions. It means having enough for the important things, ensuring you can cover your needs and enjoy life's pleasures. Don't let money control you. Take charge. Be proactive in managing your finances. Learn how to manage it. Educate yourself on financial literacy and seek advice when needed. Your future self will thank you. The steps you take today will pave the way for a secure and fulfilling tomorrow. Do you ever wonder where your money went? You're not alone. Many people find themselves in the same situation, scratching their heads and wondering how their hard-earned cash seems to vanish so quickly. Many people make common money mistakes. These mistakes can lead to stress and financial strain, making it difficult to achieve your financial goals. One big mistake is impulse buying. It's easy to get caught up in the moment and make purchases without thinking about the long-term impact on your budget. That candy bar at the checkout? It might seem like a small expense, but these little purchases can add up over time. A sale you can't resist? These add up. Sales can be tempting, but buying things just because they're on sale can lead to unnecessary spending. Another mistake? Not having a budget. Without a clear plan for your money, it's easy to lose track of your spending and find yourself in financial trouble. A budget tells your money where to go. It helps you prioritize your spending and ensures that you have enough for the things that matter most. Without one, it just disappears. Money can slip through your fingers if you don't have a plan in place to manage it. Credit cards can be dangerous too. They offer convenience, but they can also lead to overspending and accumulating debt. They feel like free money, but they're not. It's important to remember that credit card debt comes with high interest rates that can quickly spiral out of control. High interest rates can trap you in debt. Paying off credit card balances in full each month can help you avoid these costly charges and keep your finances on track. Ready to take control? You can do this. Taking charge of your finances might seem daunting, but with a few smart moves, you can make a big difference. Start by tracking your spending. Knowing where your money goes is the first step to managing it better. Write down everything you buy for a month. This will give you a clear picture of your spending habits. Next, create a budget that aligns with your financial goals. Decide how much money you'll spend in each category: rent, food, fun, and savings. Saving is crucial. Allocate a portion of your income to savings, no matter how small. Even small amounts add up over time. Consistency is key. Regularly putting aside money can lead to significant savings. Start with a goal, like a vacation or a new phone. Having a clear goal can motivate you to stick to your savings plan. If you have debt, tackle it aggressively. Prioritize paying off high-interest debt first to save money in the long run. Pay more than the minimum payment each month. This will reduce the principal faster and lower the interest you pay over time. It will help you become debt-free faster. Imagine the freedom of living without debt. It's achievable with discipline and smart money moves. Managing money can feel overwhelming, but it doesn't have to be. Freedom Funds Hub is here to help. We offer free resources and tips on budgeting, saving, investing, and more. Visit our website, freedomfundhub.com, to take control of your finances today. Remember, small steps lead to big changes. Start making smart choices today and watch your financial future brighten.